This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. If you have QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, you can manage all your inventory products with QuickBooks. To do that, you'll need to first create inventory products in QuickBooks. Let's go over how to do that. Note that it is best to set up your sales tax first before doing this. If you need help with that, then there is a video here to show you how to do that. To start, select Products and Services. Note, your navigation may look like this. And then select New. Then choose Inventory. You may need to turn this feature on first. If you don't see inventory listed, then check that you have QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced. If you want to know how to do that, this video here will show you how. Enter the name of the product. There is a field for stock keeping unit if you use that to track products. You can select this box to upload a picture of the product or service. In the initial quantity on hand, enter how much of this inventory product you have in stock. It's a good idea to do a physical inventory of your stockroom to be extra sure before you enter the quantity. Changing the quantity later can create accounting problems. Then enter when you counted that quantity. This date becomes a starting point for tracking your inventory. You won't track any inventory quantities or sales or purchases based on a quantity before this date. The reorder point is the lowest number of an inventory item that you want to have on hand before QuickBooks warns you to order more. The inventory asset account is the account in QuickBooks that tracks the value of all the inventory you have on hand. QuickBooks sets up this account for you automatically, but you can change it if you like. The description is what your customer will see for the product on invoices, sales receipts, and other sales forms. Sales price rate is what you charge your customers when you're selling your inventory item. You can change this later on an invoice if needed. The income account is the account in QuickBooks that tracks the income from this product whenever you sell them. Next, select the sales tax category for this product. If you don't see this drop-down, then you haven't set up your sales tax yet. In this last section, you'll fill in info you'll use whenever you need to purchase new inventory. Enter in the model number or vendor SKU so the vendor will know what you want to buy. Enter in the price you normally pay for this inventory item. You can also change this later if you need to. Then assign a cost of goods sold account. QuickBooks uses this account to record the cost of this inventory after you sell it. You can also select a preferred vendor you order from if you have one. When you are done, select Save and Close or Save and New if you want to enter more products. Now you can see your new inventory product here in the list. If you have many products to enter, you can import all of them at once from a spreadsheet, instead of entering them one by one. Go to the Products and Services page and select Import. Attach the spreadsheet and select Next. Then map the fields in your spreadsheet with the fields in QuickBooks. Select Next. If everything looks good, select Import and all of these products and services will be added to QuickBooks. To record sales of your inventory, you'll use invoices or sales receipts, just like any other transaction. The big difference is QuickBooks subtracts quantities from your inventory each time you sell a product. There's also a video on how to order and record new inventory once you need it.